Hi there! Do you know about the animals in the farm? Let's visit our animal farm today to see who they are and how they make sounds. Please join with me. There are many animals in the farm. Come, let's see them. This is a cow. C-O-W, cow. Let's see how a cow makes sound. This is a pig. P-I-G, pig. Let's see how a pig makes sound. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Let's see how a horse makes sound. This is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Let's see how sheep make sound. Ba, 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 ba. This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. Let's see how dog makes sound. This is a cat. C-A-T, cat. Let's see how cat makes sound. This is a hen. H-E-M, hen. Let's see how hen makes sound. This is a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Let's see how donkey makes sound. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Let's see how duck makes sound. This is a turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Let's see how turkey makes sound. Let's listen to the farm song with Maria now.
On a farm, the animals play. Each one makes a sound today. Let's sing along and have some fun. Meet the animals one by one by one. One by one. One by one. The cow says moo moo moo. The pig says oink oink oink. The horse says neigh neigh neigh. In the morning joint, the sheep says ba ba ba. The dog says woof woof woof. On the farm, they make a lot of noise. On the farm, the animals play. Each one makes a sound today. Let's sing along and have some fun. meow meow. The hen says cluck cluck cluck. The donkey says hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. The rabbit goes hop hop hop. And the duck says quack quack quack. The turkey says gobble gobble google. On the farm they have no trouble.
See you soon in next video.